Hello, Billy the Artist here, and back with an overview video for how to draw The Simpsons. Now these are really good basic beginner videos. Now again, links are in the cards and the descriptions, but do please like and subscribe for all the new videos. I'm going to be doing beginner ones like this and more complex like the portraits that I do. Where you've seen me do the Harry Potter characters and Billie Eilish and many others. Now these though are really good basics. Now there is in the description a link to How to Draw Anything Part 1 that covers the shapes. Now again, I use my trusty 2B pencil and I put down the basic shapes, and you'll see in the beginnings parts of these videos me actually putting down simple basic shapes on the paper to actually construct the drawings. Then I go over and I just use a nice simple felt tip pen, a Sharpie, a marker pen for the nice big black lines, and then I have coloured these in using cheap pencil crayons. These are just the normal pencil crayons that you can get from just about anywhere, whether it's a supermarket, Poundland, a thrift store, Costco, anything like that. That's where you can get like the cheapest, because I'm doing real world stuff while everybody is in at home with wanting things to do. This will teach you the basics of drawing simple cartoon characters in a great way. So do up in the cards, there will be links going through, but we'll start with Bart, our lovely little Bart Simpson. So again, nice simple basic techniques using the basic shapes. Look at the snippets and you'll see, check out the link in the cards to the full video. It's narrated in real time. Then we will do Homer, and Homer is just a great character to do. And again, lovely simple shapes, but the simple things like his hair is actually a capital M. So it's things like that, and you'll see here there's a nice big C, like a capital C. The shape of his ear is a capital C. Even the lines inside his ear, if you look at it, that's like a Y, a capital Y. So I'll break it down into simple shapes for you and how to do these drawings. Marge, with that amazing massive stack of blue hair, is just such a great character. We got lots of lovely circles. Their eyes are obviously big circles, but we've got lots of lovely circles for a necklace going around. Again, the C there in her ear, it's more like a T, you know, sideways on it as a Y like Homer's, but it's a T that you can see, the nice shapes. Her nose is, if you look at it there, it's like a capital D. So again, using simple shapes to actually create these characters and break the drawings down for you. Then we get to Lisa. She's not got a saxophone, but again, just what a star of hair around the top. Nice big points. Again, they're like V's. There you can see a V and another V and another V, or a point if you want to go to an inverted V, like a nice point going all the way around. Again, there's the C for the ear, a T there for the line inside. There's the capital D. So again, making simple shapes work for the full drawing of Lisa. Again, all in real time. And then Maggie. So again, nice and simple. You can see there on the end of a dummy, that's like a C, just a big bubble letter, capital C. The same for a nose. You've got the D with a T inside her ear. Now again, it's like a butterfly shape, but you've got a circle, just a capital C in the bow. And then these nice simple shapes all the way around. But again, I break the drawings down. So do check out the link in the cards to all of these individual videos, and then in the end screens at the end there will be a link to my full How to Draw playlist and also the How to Draw Harry Potter playlist. But again, this is with nice basic materials. I'm going to be doing loads of videos, adding more. Do use the hashtag Drawing with Billy if you tweet, and on Instagram, tag, all those kind of things. Anyway, enjoy your drawing. I'll see you in the next How to Draw lesson, and take care. Ta-da.